Okay, let me show you quickly how to fold your cootie catcher. So you've got it all colored. It might not look like mine, and that's okay as long as it's cut out right along those dotted lines. It doesn't matter. I would like these colored, but this stuff doesn't matter. You can see what it looks like when you're all done. So when you get to this point, you're going to flip it over and you're going to match up. Make sure this is just to give you all the right folds, okay? So you're gonna just match up corner here. Okay, I just made it into a triangle. So I was here and I just took my square and I matched up the opposite corners. Okay, and I just push it down. Then I unfold it, then do the same thing the other way. Take the bottom corner, just match it up to the top corner and give it a good fold. Okay, then you're gonna open it up. We're still on the back side of your cootie catcher, okay? Then you're going to take a corner. It doesn't matter what corner you start with, but you should kind of have a point right in the middle where everything crossed. You're gonna take one of your corners and you're gonna just fold it right into the center. You should see two shapes and then one of the names that you've colored, okay? And close it. Then come to the opposite side. Fold it over and close it. Okay, if you need to pause the video to get to these, pause the video. Then you're gonna take another corner. You might have to turn it, okay, and you're gonna line it up so it goes right in the middle. So you have all of those points touching right here in the middle. Push it down. And the last one, okay? So when you get to this point, then we'll keep going. But if you're not here yet, pause the video and get all four sides, all four corners to point to the middle. So yours looks like mine. Okay, now we're going to do kind of a little bit of a tricky part. So stay with me, okay? You're gonna take the whole thing and flip it over. So now you still have a square, but now you should see the names of several different shapes without pictures. So make sure you're here. You're going to do the same thing again. You're going to take this point of the corner, this corner, and put it right to the center, right where there's that black dot. This one's going to go to the middle. Watch. You're going to take it and you're going to fold it. And when you see two shapes and two numbers, you know you're on the right track. So take your time. Mine's already been folded. That's why it's so easy for me. So now you have an even smaller square. When you get to this point, pause the video again. Okay, if you're here, let's keep going. Now you're gonna flip it over again. Okay, so now you see this side with all your shapes, okay? You're gonna take it and you're just gonna fold that in half. I guess you don't really have to flip it over. If you stay here, you're just gonna fold it in half. Then unfold it and fold it in half the other way. You're just trying to make it so it's really loose so that it will fold this way or this way, okay? And then just fold it in half. This is where it gets a little tricky. You should have these on one side and these on the other. Or if you went this way, you should just have two shapes here and two shapes here, okay? Then what you're gonna do is where it opens, see how it opens? Pinch it shut. Then on this side, you're gonna stick your little fingers right underneath those shapes. Kind of have to bend it and open it, but see how my fingers slide in there? Then you're gonna do it on this side. You wanna slide your fingers in. So once you've got it, you kind of have to manipulate things a little, kind of get it bendy, but you should have a cootie catcher. And you play it like this. So if I go up to my partner says, red. Then I spell red, R-E-D. Then inside, hopefully you can see that, they will pick a number, okay? If they pick 2, then I just go. If they pick 2, I go 1, 2. Now they pick another number. Oh, this time they pick 3. 1, 2, 3. Then if they pick 6, I say, okay, what is that shape? What is shape number 6? If they say hexagon and we check it and they're right, air high five your partner and then play it again. If they get the wrong shape, then teach them the correct answer and then you can move on. And that's how you'll play with your cootie catcher.